The Union Public Service Commission has officially declared the Civil Services Preliminary Examination 2026 results, shortlisting exactly 13,343 candidates to progress to the main examination. The results were announced on June 15, 2026, just 22 days after the screening test was administered nationwide on May 24, 2026. Candidates can download the official roll number wise PDF directly from the UPSC official website. Key exam statistics: total vacancies 1016. Posts are notified for the 2026 recruitment cycle. Competition ratio: regularly 13 candidates have qualified for every single available vacancy, यानी एक वैकेंसी पर 13 कैंडिडेट. Indian Forest Service IFOS separately 1046 candidates cleared the prelim stage for the IFOS main exam against 80 vacancies. Historical trend: the qualifying pool is smaller than in 2025 and 14,161 candidates cleared the prelim for 1087 open seats. Next steps for qualified candidates. अगला चरण क्या होगा जो पास आउट हो चुके हैं प्रीलिमिनरी एग्जाम? Successful aspirants must complete several mandatory digital compliance protocol on the UPSC portal to secure their seat for the next round. First, action period: the window opens on June 19, 2026 and closed strictly at 6 p.m. on June 28, 2026. Second, requirements: candidates must log in to fill out the detailed application form first, DAF first. This includes updating personal information, selecting cadre preference, and uploading valid certificates. Mains fee: a processing fee of 200 rupees is required. Female, SC, ST and PWBD candidates are fully exempted from this payment, यानी सभी को इतनी फीस लगेगी. Disqualification warning: failure to complete and submit the DAF first within this tight time frame will result in immediate cancellation of candidature. Scoring and cutoffs: following a new transparency initiatives introduced by UPSC Chairman Dr. Ajay Kumar, provisional answer keys were published early, just days after the May exam. However, individual scorecards, official final cutoff marks and final answer keys will only be accessible after the final merit list is released at the end of the entire 2026 exam cycle. The Civil Services Main Examination 2026 is scheduled to commence on August 21, 2026. For immediate assistance or official verification issues, candidates can reach out to the UPSC helpline number at जो ये दिए गए हैं इन नंबर पे और इस टाइम पे. If you are qualifying candidates, would you like advice on structuring your study plan for descriptive mains exam, or do you need help understanding the DAF first service preference guidelines?